So off camera last episode, I tried to start this bad boy and it wouldn't start, and looked at the gas can and realized it was empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some gas in it real fast, and we're gonna try to start this bad boy up. Psych, we're gonna throw some gas in it, and then we're gonna fill up the coolant system and then start the vehicle. Alright, so right now we're about to fill this bad boy up with fluid just in the radiator. They do make a funnel that you can put in here and just keep cooling on top of it. That way it'll burp the system by itself. I don't have that, so we're about to make do another thing. So without further ado, let's do it. How's it going?
Alright, how are you?
Putting in some work.
Pretty out here.
It is. It feels great. How are you?
It's nice today.
It is. Couldn't waste a day like this. As y'all can see, I made a mess, but we do have coolant at the top of this. I'm also going to clean all of that off when I finish up. But as of right now, I'm just about to go ahead and start the vehicle. As it reaches temperature, coolant will start burping out of here. And once we get to the point of the coolant coming out, we're going to close the radiator cap, and then there's actually a bleeder valve on the back over here on the coolant line. So we're just going to crack that bad boy, let all the excess air out after that, and that should be the end of the process. So let's move into the interior of the vehicle. All right, so now you want to come to the bleeder. I hope y'all can still hear me. And just crack it a little bit. So when you crack it, you'll notice air bubbles starting to come out. Right there, and that's what we wanted. You want the bubbles to keep coming until they don't exist anymore. So right here, it looks like we may actually have gotten all the air out of the system. And that is how you do it. You see the car is running now, no problems. I just have to clean up the engine bay now, but that's another episode. And with that being said, thank y'all for staying tuned. I hope the install went successful for you. If you have any problems, make sure you comment them down below, and I'll make sure I reach out to y'all and help y'all if I can. But this is your boy J-Lo signing off. This guy. Peace.
12 seconds later.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here again, back again with another video, and I just wanted to show y'all something, man. Take a look at the M35. So off camera, I've been doing a lot of work on it. You can see now the headlights are stupid clear. You can see through. I got the radiator replaced, which y'all saw the video. Did a bunch of little wiring. There's still a little bit more work that needs to go into it. I have to put the plastic trim pieces back, maybe even replace the brakes. But going inside the car, you remember we were having trouble from little things to like starting it to everything of that nature. Now if I put my foot on the brake and tap that start button, fires up like a charm. I did this off camera. When I fired it up, I realized that it had a misfire, so I went ahead and replaced a coil. It was a coil pack that went bad, so went ahead and replaced the coil. But there are no check engine lights in this thing. Let me tell y'all, drives like a beauty. Y'all know how I drive, y'all know how I get down. So after I did everything, I took it on a little shakedown, and man, oh man, I kind of fell in love with it. But this is gonna be for someone else to take. I have enough vehicles of my own, so I hope this goes to a loving home once I do finish up everything with it. So that's left, I'll go around and show y'all. So under the hood, you can see it still definitely needs to be detailed. I did do a little cleaning, but it needs a decent pressure wash, some degreaser. There is a hose clamp back there that I have to fix. Once I fix that hose clamp, there are just loose wires that are just hanging, so I got to secure those up, get them out the way, and just the overall detail of this car is good to go, man. It looks good too. As y'all see, I still got the sticker. I'm gonna actually go ahead and take it off once I finish this clip, but I still got the sticker from when they tried to, you know what I'm saying, couch a boy out. The interior is full of just boxes and parts, but most of this is going in the trash. You can see the interior is not in bad shape at all. I actually just found out that it has heated and cooled seats. The AC still works, blows cold. I was having an overheating issue. I solved that off camera as well, which I should have recorded. I'm just missing out on content, but I was more focused on getting the vehicle finished with. So now that it's just about done, man, hey, you know what I'm saying? I can't complain. It's kind of a bittersweet moment, and it's not gone yet, and it's also not finished yet. But just to marvel at where we started at, it's taken us maybe close to 2 months, and most of that is because of parts and then me working. But outside of that, man, there you go. This, I would rather it go to somebody again that needs it, that just needs to get to point A to point B, but reliably, and this would be the perfect vehicle to do so. So yeah, man, dang, I just keep marveling at it. I done circled around it a couple times. Like I said, took it on a shakedown, and man, that's a nice whip. And that's just a quick little update as far as where we're at now. I'm just in awe, marveling at this. We still got more interesting news coming here real shortly, real soon. Appreciate the love and support on the M35 videos. There may be 1 or 2 more, but after that, I do plan on getting rid of it. But aside of that, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for being cool and rocking with your boy. It's your boy J-Lo signing out. Peace.
Hey, so make 'em run it back.